Many car owners ask when they get a new car, what is PPF and do you really need it? Paint protection film, or PPF, is a clear and flexible film usually made of TPU, applied over paint to shield it from everyday damage. Its primary purpose is to protect paint from scratches, rock chips, bird droppings, bugs, acid rain, and UV rays. High-quality PPF doesn't just extend the life of paint, it helps maintain appearance and resale value over time. Different types of PPF can also change a car's look. Glossy films enhance shine, matte finishes create a subtle satin look, and colored or patterned PPFs combine protection with personalization. Modern PPFs also pack in advanced features. Minor scratches can self-heal under sunlight or warm water. UV absorbers slow down yellowing. Special top coats reduce dirt and bug adhesion, making cleaning much easier. The future of PPF is moving towards sustainability and smart features. That includes biodegradable TPU, faster self-healing molecular structures, and AI-powered cutting systems. So PPF isn't just a car wrap anymore. It has evolved into a solution combining protection, style, technology, and sustainability. So PPF isn't just a wrap anymore. It's becoming an essential solution in the global automotive market. If you want tailored PPF solutions for your local or global market, get in touch. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on PPF technology and market trends.